Look at me. Not like that.
Just casually? Okay.
The first step is optional, but I brushed out my brows to tame them a little before getting started. Start with a concealer that's a shade or two lighter than your natural skin color to brighten any areas you may want to cover. This step is also optional, but I glued down and blocked the bottom half of my brows to achieve a more angular and sharp look. This character's makeup should be fairly flawless, so make sure to get a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. Set the foundation with a spray or powder. Using a foundation that's just a bit darker than your natural skin tone, place some straight lines starting from the top of your cheekbones down to the corners of your mouth. Shade the line down toward your jaw, away from the line, to create a shadow. Using the same concealer, create some thin lines just above the dark line you have on your cheeks to create the top of the cheek, where the light would hit. I added a very neutral brown colored eyeshadow over my lids to create some depth. Highlight underneath the brows to push that brow up a bit more. Use a darker brown shadow in the crease of your lids to deepen that shape. Eyeliner is optional as well, but I suggest it if you want to leave out false lashes. Add a simple bright red lip color on the lips. Then add a bit of mascara and you are complete.